Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best broken tiles is probably one of the most versatile materials for mosaic art, offering a wide array of colors, textures, and shapes. In this video, we'll dive into the world of broken tiles, exploring how they can transform your mosaic projects from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, get ready to discover the endless possibilities that broken tiles bring to your creative endeavors. Number 5. Broken Talavera Mexican Tile, A1 quality, 15 pounds. These beautiful tiles are made in Mexico. They are perfect for adding a touch of culture and color to your home. You'll love the unique designs and high quality. The tiles are sent in whole pieces, so you can easily trim or break them to fit your needs. This gives you the flexibility to create custom designs for any space. They are ideal for bathrooms, spas, kitchen backsplashes, wall facades, and pools. The possibilities are endless with these versatile tiles. These tiles are water-resistant and suitable for outdoor use. They are also heat-resistant, making them perfect for fire pits, over-the-range designs, and chimneys. Get the best deal on Amazon for these high-quality Mexican tiles. It's a great value for a product that will enhance any space. Order yours today. What we like. This tile is water-resistant and heat-resistant, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. It is also suitable for use near flames, such as fire pits. If you are looking for a durable and versatile option for your mosaic projects, you should consider this one. What people say. The assortment was excellent. Great assortment and all were intact but two. I received an assortment of colors which made the project versatile. Number 4. DIY Mosaic Tiles, Green Ceramic 200G Pack. These mosaic tiles are perfect for any craft project. They come in a beautiful green mix, allowing you to create unique designs. Made from durable ceramic, it's built to last. You can be sure that it will withstand various crafting projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artisan, these tiles are easy to work with. It's designed to inspire creativity in everyone. It's ideal for a wide range of projects, from home decor to personalized gifts. You can use it on different surfaces. Each pack contains 200 grams of ceramic mosaic tiles. It provides ample material for multiple projects without overwhelming you. What we like. This product offers a unique green color variety, perfect for adding vibrancy to your crafts. Made from durable ceramic, it is suitable for all skill levels, making it easy to use for everyone. If you like creating unique and colorful DIY projects, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Worked well with my project. Great product for the money, color was amazing. Exactly what I wanted, I would buy again. We can take these pre-broken pieces and build artwork without any feelings of remorse over breaking up a tile. Number 3. Broken Mexican Talavera Tiles, 10 pounds. These tiles are handmade in Mexico. Each package contains 10 pounds of beautiful, broken tiles, perfect for your mosaic projects. The tiles come in a variety of colors and sizes, ensuring a unique and vibrant mosaic. Because they are broken, you can arrange them in any pattern you like. These tiles are directly from Mexico, bringing an authentic touch to your artwork. They are perfect for adding a cultural flair to any project. These tiles are perfect for mosaic projects. You can break them as desired to create your own unique designs. These are seconds tiles, sent in whole pieces. This allows you to break them to the size you need. What we like. These tiles are made in Mexico, offering authentic designs for your mosaic projects. The colors and sizes vary, providing a unique touch to each piece. If you are looking for a genuine and diverse option for your mosaic projects, you should consider this one. What people say. Bought these for a cement mosaic tabletop and it came out beautiful and everyone loves the finished project. Most of what I received are full tiles, a benefit in my opinion as I can shape to what I might desire. Perfect to cover the top 2 shelf wooden bookshelves. This is my second order from this vendor for these tiles. I combined the first tiles with white tile I had and covered a dresser top in another room. Number 2. Lanyani Blue and White Porcelain Mosaic Tiles. These vintage tiles will add a unique touch to your mosaic projects. They feature a classic blue and white design, perfect for creating beautiful artwork. The tiles have a highly polished finish, ensuring a smooth and safe experience. The edges are carefully crafted for easy handling and use. The tiles come in irregular shapes and sizes, adding visual interest to your mosaics. The size varies, providing flexibility in your designs. Although the tiles are in larger pieces, they are easy to cut with wheeled glass nippers. This allows you to customize the shape and size to fit your specific needs. These tiles are suitable for a variety of applications, including bathrooms, fireplaces, and outdoor spaces. They are frost-resistant and UVA-resistant, making them durable for various environments. What we like? These tiles feature a vintage blue and white porcelain design, adding a classic touch to your mosaics. They have a highly polished finish with smooth edges for safe use. If you are looking for a unique and safe option for your mosaic projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The edges are not rough, there are quite a few tiles, they were easy to use, each tile was approximately 1 to 1.5 inches big, and were of good quality with a variety of patterns. All of the orders are very nicely finished, very smooth edges. These small varied ceramic pieces do not have raw broken edges. Instead, they are glazed all around except their undersides, making them perfect for outdoor use. Number 1. Lanyani broken ceramic tiles for crafts. These high-fired porcelain tiles are polished and durable with a glossy finish. They won't fade, and the smooth edges make them safe for all projects, even for children. The tiles come in at least 13 eye-catching colors, including white, blue, red, orange, and brown. They also feature 3 different textures, including ice veins and iridescent finishes. With assorted shapes and textures, these tiles offer great variety in placement. You'll need very little, if any, nipping to complete your mosaic projects. The ceramic tiles come in sizes ranging from 20 mm to 42 mm. This provides flexibility and encourages creativity in your designs. These mosaic tiles are highly glazed and durable. Waterproof and UV resistant, they are suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. What we like? This product comes in assorted vibrant colors and is durable with a glossy finish, making it perfect for various projects. The ease of use and assorted shapes provide flexibility for your designs. If you are looking for a versatile and colorful option for your mosaic projects, you should consider this one. What people say. The tiles' appearance are vibrant and shiny. Broken-shaped tiles would be a better descriptive of these tiles, as they're all smoothly finished along the edges, but they're beautifully colored and good quality. Bright bold colors, worked great on cement stepping stones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.